Welcome back to Car Explorer, the channel where we dive into the world's most extraordinary vehicles and bring you reviews that capture both innovation and luxury. Today, we're stepping into uncharted territory with one of the most exclusive and ambitious projects yet, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Rolls-Royce is a name that has always stood for ultimate luxury, unmatched craftsmanship, and a driving experience like no other. And now, with the introduction of their first motorhome, they've taken those values onto the open road, blending the spirit of adventure with the ultimate expression of comfort and elegance. The exterior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is nothing short of breathtaking. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you recognize the iconic design elements that make this brand so unique. At the front sits a bold reinterpretation of the Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille, illuminated with crystal accents and flanked by slim laser headlights. Above it, the spirit of ecstasy proudly extends forward, symbolizing grace and freedom. The body is sculpted from lightweight aluminum and carbon composites, designed for aerodynamic efficiency while retaining a regal presence. The two-tone paintwork, endless personalization options, and subtle coach lines hand-painted by master craftsmen make each motorhome truly one of a kind. Step inside, and you'll understand why Rolls-Royce is in a league of its own. The cabin is not just a space to travel, it's a sanctuary of serenity and artistry. The interiors are crafted with the finest leathers, hand-stitched embroidery, polished wood veneers, and even bespoke crystal inlays. Ambient lighting is customizable, offering moods from warm golden tones to cool modern hues. The cockpit features a fully digital, glass-embedded display system, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with Rolls-Royce's minimalist philosophy. It's designed so elegantly that you barely notice the tech. It simply feels natural. The living space in the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 redefines what it means to travel in comfort. The lounge features handcrafted reclining seats that can transform into full-sized beds. A retractable dining table carved from rare hardwood sits at the center, paired with crystal glassware and fine bone china stored in bespoke compartments. The motorhome also includes a hidden cinema setup, complete with a 70-inch roll-down OLED screen, surround sound, and even a champagne cooler, because Rolls-Royce believes no journey should be without indulgence. The kitchen takes practicality and elevates it into art. With marble countertops, a concealed induction cooktop, a dual-temperature wine fridge, and intelligent storage systems, it is as much about aesthetics as it is about functionality. Even the appliances carry Rolls-Royce's bespoke design touches, ensuring the consistency of luxury throughout. The bedroom is perhaps the most serene part of this motorhome. It includes a king-size bed with a climate-controlled memory foam mattress, silk-lined bedding, and an overhead Starlight roof with customizable constellations, a signature Rolls-Royce feature brought into this new format. The ensuite bathroom features rainfall showers, heated marble floors, and a vanity equipped with the finest fixtures, making it more luxurious than most hotel suites. Underneath all the luxury is a performance system worthy of the Rolls-Royce name. The 2026 motorhome is powered by an advanced all-electric drivetrain, producing over 700 horsepower with near-silent operation. With a massive 180 kilowatt-hour battery pack, it offers a range of 400 miles, and fast charging capabilities allow 80% of the battery to recharge in just 30 minutes. The ride quality is unparalleled thanks to Rolls-Royce's Magic Carpet Ride suspension system, now adapted for a motorhome. This ensures that no matter the terrain, passengers experience effortless smoothness. Safety and convenience are also at the forefront. Equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 can drive itself in most conditions, allowing its owners to relax and enjoy the journey. A full suite of sensors, AI-based navigation, and adaptive driving modes make it both smart and safe. Off-grid capabilities include solar integration and intelligent energy management, ensuring independence without compromising comfort.